Have you ever looked at your garage and imagined it as more than just a place to stash boxes and old bikes? Maybe you've pictured it as a cozy retreat, a creative studio, or even a home gym. If so, you're definitely not alone. More and more people are starting to see the untapped potential in their garages, realizing that this often overlooked space can become something truly special. Across the country, homeowners are transforming garages into beautiful, functional rooms that add real value to their lives and their properties. These conversions are popping up in neighborhoods everywhere, showing just how versatile a garage can be when you think outside the box. Instead of facing the hassle and expense of moving to a bigger house or building a costly extension, why not make the most of the space you already have? Your garage is a blank canvas, ready to be reimagined into whatever you need most, whether that's a quiet office, a playroom for the kids, or a guest suite for visiting friends and family. A garage conversion is often cheaper and quicker than other home improvements. You can avoid the long timelines and high costs that come with major renovations and still end up with a space that feels brand new. Plus, you'll likely increase your home's value, making it a smart investment for the future. You already have the basic structure, walls, roof, and floor, giving you a head start. This means less construction, less mess, and a faster transformation from start to finish. With the foundation already in place, you can focus on the fun part, designing a space that fits your lifestyle. With some creativity and practical work, you can turn a cluttered area into a bright, welcoming part of your home. Imagine clearing out the old clutter and watching your vision come to life, step by step, as your garage is transformed into a space you'll actually use and enjoy every day. Our homes now need to work harder than ever before. Spaces for working, exercising, relaxing, and hosting guests are all in demand. A garage conversion can give you that extra room to breathe, adapt, and thrive, no matter how your needs change over time. A garage conversion offers a dedicated space tailored to your needs, separate from the main house. Whether you crave privacy for focused work, a quiet spot to unwind, or a lively area for hobbies and gatherings, your garage can become the perfect solution. This separation can be a blessing, giving you a quiet retreat, or a place to make noise without disturbing anyone. It's your own little world, just steps away from the rest of your home, where you can focus, create, or simply relax in peace. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process step by step, from planning and budgeting to the finishing touches that make your new space truly shine. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started, avoid common pitfalls, and make the most of your investment. Whether you want a full renovation or a quick update, you'll find inspiration and practical advice here. We'll showcase a variety of styles and ideas to help you discover what's possible, no matter your taste or budget. Let's unlock your garage's potential and create a room you'll love, a space that not only adds value to your home, but also enhances the way you live every single day. Before you start, decide the purpose of your new room. What does your home lack? What would make life better for your family? A clear vision keeps your project focused and ensures the space gets used. Dreaming of a home gym? Or maybe a proper home office, guest suite, playroom, or teenage den? The choice is yours. Reflect your lifestyle. Once you have your big idea, everything else falls into place. The function determines insulation, flooring, and lighting needs. Sketch a rough layout and write down your plan. This planning stage is the foundation of a successful conversion. Comfort is key. Garages are usually cold in winter and hot in summer. Without proper insulation, these spaces can feel almost unusable for much of the year, making it hard to enjoy your new room or use it for anything other than storage. Proper insulation transforms your garage into a true room, keeping it comfortable year-round and helping with soundproofing. Not only does it regulate temperature, but it also blocks out street noise, making the space quieter and more peaceful, perfect for a home office, gym, or playroom. Most garage walls are thin and poorly insulated. To upgrade, build a timber frame inside the existing walls, fill the gaps with high-quality insulation boards, and cover everything with plasterboard. This method creates a solid barrier against both heat loss and noise, and it's the best way to achieve a professional finish. Don't forget the ceiling. Insulate between rafters or add a suspended ceiling for extra warmth. Heat rises, so insulating above is just as important as the walls. This step also helps prevent condensation and keeps the space feeling cozy. The garage door is a major source of heat loss. Even a well-insulated room can feel chilly if the door isn't addressed, as drafts and cold air can seep in around the edges. For a permanent conversion, replace the garage door with an insulated wall and window to create a seamless, energy-efficient barrier. If you want to keep the door, insulation kits are a great temporary fix. They're easy to install and make a noticeable difference. Good insulation makes a massive difference in comfort and energy efficiency. You'll notice lower heating bills and a space that's pleasant to use in any season, whether it's freezing outside or blazing hot. The good news is, insulating a garage is a straightforward job for a competent DIYer. With the right materials and a bit of patience, you can tackle most of the work yourself and save on labor costs. Take your time with this step. It's the foundation for a cozy, usable space. Careful measuring and fitting will ensure there are no gaps for heat to escape, and your efforts will pay off for years to come. Once insulated, your garage will feel like a real part of your home, a comfortable, inviting space that's perfect for whatever you have planned. The right flooring can completely transform a cold, hard garage into a welcoming, functional room that feels like a true extension of your home. Whether you're aiming for a sleek, modern look or a cozy, inviting atmosphere, your flooring choice is the foundation for the entire space. If you're planning to use your garage as a gym or workshop, durability and easy maintenance are key. Epoxy resin coatings create a seamless, glossy surface that resists stains, oil, and heavy impacts. Interlocking rubber tiles are another great option. They cushion your feet, absorb noise, and can be replaced individually if damaged, making them ideal for high traffic or high impact areas. For garages being converted into living spaces, luxury vinyl plank is a popular choice. It beautifully mimics the look of real wood or stone, but is far more practical for the garage environment. It's water-resistant, easy to clean, and stands up well to temperature changes, making it perfect for family rooms, home offices, or playrooms. No matter which flooring you choose, always start with a damp-proof membrane and a quality underlay. These layers protect your new floor from moisture and help insulate against cold, ensuring your space stays comfortable and your flooring lasts for years. If you're turning your garage into a bedroom or a snug retreat, carpet is a fantastic way to add warmth and comfort underfoot. Just make sure the subfloor is clean, level, and dry before installation to prevent any future issues. Not ready for a permanent change? Large area rugs or colorful foam mats are a simple, budget-friendly way to add comfort and style. They're easy to swap out and perfect for play areas, hobby spaces, or temporary setups. Remember, your flooring choice sets the tone and comfort level of your new space. It's the first thing you'll notice when you walk in, and it can make your garage feel truly special. Take your time exploring samples and think about how you'll use the room. Choose a flooring that matches both your practical needs and your personal style, so your garage conversion feels just right for you. Installing new flooring is one of the most transformative steps in your project. It's the moment your garage truly starts to feel like a brand new space, ready for whatever you imagine. Lighting can make or break your garage conversion. Most garages have harsh, gloomy lighting. Plan for a layered scheme instead. Use recessed spotlights or track lighting for even modern illumination. Add task lighting for work areas, desk lamps, adjustable spotlights, or floor lamps. Accent lighting, like uplighters or LED strips, adds mood and highlights features. Dimmable switches let you control brightness for any activity. Good lighting is both practical and powerful for setting the right mood. Think about lighting early to create a space you'll love. Mix different light sources for flexibility and comfort. The right lighting will make your new room feel truly special. Not ready for a full renovation? Quick cosmetic upgrades can make a huge difference. Start with a ruthless clear out and deep clean. This alone transforms the space. Hide bare walls with large fabric panels or curtains for instant softness and style. Use rugs or interlocking mats to cover the concrete floor and add comfort. Overlapping rugs can create a cool bohemian look. These changes are affordable, easy, and reversible. Add layers of color, texture, and light to make the space inviting. Temporary upgrades let you test out the space before committing to bigger changes. Even small tweaks can make your garage feel more like a real room. Start simple and build from there. Paint is a powerful, affordable way to transform your garage. Clean and prep walls before painting. Use a stabilizing primer for best results. Light colors like white or pale gray make the space feel bigger and brighter. Use good quality masonry paint for durability. You can also paint the concrete floor with tough, epoxy-based floor paint. Choose a practical gray or a bold color for an industrial chic look. Painting is a quick, budget-friendly update that makes a huge impact. Add pops of color with furniture and accessories. A fresh coat of paint instantly makes your garage feel like a real room. Now for the finishing touches. These details bring comfort and personality. Add a large rug for softness and to define zones like seating or work areas. Choose bold patterns or colors to inject personality. Use freestanding lamps for flexible lighting, no electrician needed. Mix floor and table lamps for a warm, layered effect. Good storage is essential. Freestanding shelves, chests, or baskets keep things tidy. Paint second-hand furniture to match your style. Attractive boxes and baskets hide clutter and add texture. These touches make your new room functional and inviting. The right finishing touches ensure your garage stays your dream space. With vision and effort, your garage can become one of the most loved rooms in your home. We've covered everything from insulation and flooring to quick cosmetic fixes. A garage conversion adds more than square footage. It adds quality of life. Start small if you need to. Clear out, paint, and use temporary furniture. Upgrade over time as your budget allows. The key is to see the potential and take the first step. Imagine the extra room you've always wanted, right there, waiting to be brought to life. Stop dreaming and start doing. Your favorite room is just a project away.